Welcome, students. We are discussing Reach for the Top, second part. In the second part, we are discussing Maria Sharapova, world number one tennis player. And in this chapter, we are focusing on the struggle of Maria Sharapova. What were the struggles of Maria Sharapova? How did she overcome it? That is the part of this chapter. In the previous section, we have seen that in early childhood she left her mother and father in order to take proper tennis training, and it was very hard for Maria Sharapova to leave her mother at very early age. She did it. She was always missing her father and mother. Father was not able to meet her again and again because he was working hard to make her training possible, to keep her training continue. He worked hard, so she was living a tough life, and her seniors did not behave gently with her. She had to clean their rooms. Okay, after that we move to point number 1. Instead of letting that depress me, see, instead of letting that depress me, that means what was the condition of Maria Sharapova at the training center that didn't depress her? That she had to do the household work of the seniors. She had to clean the room. This condition did not depress her. I became more quietly determined and mentally tough. She became tough, she became determined, she became firm. Okay. Means the adverse condition of her life made her determined and mentally tough. I learned how to take care of myself. I never thought of quitting or leaving because I knew what I wanted. She wanted to do best in tennis field. What was her aim? She focused on it, and she was bearing all the obstacles for getting her achievement. When you come from nothing and you have nothing, then it makes you very hungry and determined. That was the belief of Sharapova. If you have nothing, you have come from nothing, you have nothing, then it makes you hungry and determined. I would have put up with much more humiliation and insults than that to steadfastly pursue my dream. I would have put up with more humiliation and insult than that to steadfastly pursue my dream, follow my dream. Meaning is this, the way how she was treated, it didn't become hurdle in her dream. She faced it boldly because she was determined to achieve her goal, and the adverse condition of her life made her mentally tough, made her determined. So determination was the key of her success. Determination came to her because of the adverse condition of her life. Okay, and what she wanted to be in her life. She wanted to achieve it. That was her goal. She focused on only her goal, not on other things. She never focused on the adverse condition of life. She always focused on her dream. And for fulfillment of the dream, she was struggling. She was taking pain. ओके, पहला नंबर हम देखते हैं कि यहाँ पे जो कंडीशन थी मारिया शारापोवा की वो बहुत अच्छी नहीं थी. उसे इल ट्रीट करते थे सब, रूम साफ करवाते थे, लेकिन उसने कभी इससे हार नहीं मानी और ये सारी कंडीशंस को डिटर्मिन्ड बना दिया, उसको मेंटली टफ बना दिया और अपने गोल को पाने के लिए वो और डिटर्मिन्ड हो गई और फर्म हो गई कि उसे अपना गोल पाना है जैसे भी करके. सो एडवर्स कंडीशन ब्रिंग्स डिटर्मिनेशन इन यू. You become determined when you face odd conditions of your life. Now we move to point number 2. That toughness runs through Maria even today. Mentally toughness. She had become mentally tough because of the adverse condition of her life. It was the key to her bagging. Bagging here means winning the women's singles crown at Wimbledon in 2004. She was able to get this success, winning women's singles crown at Wimbledon in 2004. It happened how? Because of her toughness. And she got this toughness. She got this toughness because of her adverse condition of life. So adverse condition of life brings toughness and determination. And to her meteoric here means very rapid rise to the world number 1 spot the following year. In the following year, she also became world number 1. It happened only because of her mentally toughness and her determination. So, according to Sharapova, mental toughness and determination are the key to success. Now we move to point number 3. While her journey from the frozen plains of Siberia to the summit here means top of women's tennis has touched the hearts of tennis fans. The journey which she took from Siberia to the top of women's tennis has touched the hearts of fans. For the youngster herself, there appears to be no room for sentiment. For the youngster herself, there appears to be no room for sentiment. The straight looks and the answers she gives when asked about her ambition make it imply here means plentifully clear that she considers the sacrifices were worth it. Sentiments are not so important for her because she had become mentally tough. And what sacrifices are needed to achieve your goal, you should do it. And the same thing was done by Sharapova, because he says the straight looks and the answers she gives when asked about her ambition make it imply means plentifully clear that she considered the sacrifices were worth it. What sacrifices anything demand we have to do in order to get success. So mental toughness, determination and sacrifices are necessary to become successful in life. That was the opinion of Sharapova, because he believes the sacrifices should be done wherever it is necessary. The sacrifices should be done wherever it is necessary. I am very, very competitive. I work hard at what I do. It is my job. To do hard work is job of Sharapova. This is her mantra for success. So what was the mantra for her success? That is sacrifices, mental toughness, determination, no place for sentiments. Sentiment here means emotional feeling. So in point number 3, Sharapova talked about the ways, the steps, the requirement for the success. 3 words we should remember: mental toughness, determination, and sacrifices are the key to success. And hard work, mental toughness, determination, hard work, and sacrifices are key to सक्सेस. तो पैर नंबर 3 में सारापोवा ने बात की है सक्सेस की. सक्सेस आपको कैसे मिलेगा? इसका कहना है कि जहाँ कहीं भी सेक्रीफाइसेस की ज़रूरत हो वहाँ करनी चाहिए अपने गोल को पाने के लिए, अपने सक्सेस को पाने के लिए. और सक्सेस को पाने के लिए हार्ड वर्क, मेंटल टफनेस, डिटर्मिनेशन, सेक्रीफाइसेस का होना ज़रूरी है, तभी व्यक्ति सक्सेस हो पाता है. दैट वाज द मंत्र ऑफ सारापोवा. नाउ वी मूव टू पेज नंबर 4. Though Maria Sharapova speaks with a pronounced American accent, what is the accent of Sharapova? That is American. She proudly parades, displays her Russian nationality. Although Sharapova was of American accent, but she displays her Russian nationality. She was Russian. Okay. Clearing all doubts, he says, I am Russian. It is true that the US is a big part of my life, but I have Russian citizenship. My blood is totally Russian. I will play the Olympics for Russia if they want me. So here she is saying about her citizenship. She said that she is Russian, she is not American. Although she speaks in American tone, in American accent, but she displays her nationality. She says that she is Russian. It is true that the US is the big part of her life, but she has Russian citizenship and she is totally Russian, and she will play the Olympics for Russia if they want me. So in the page number 4, she talks about her citizenship. She accepts that US is the big part of her life, but she was Russian. She has Russian citizenship. Her blood is totally Russian, and she had a wish to play for Russia if they want. So that was the opinion of Sharapova. Now we move to page number 5. Like any number of teen-aged sensations, Maria Sharapova lists fashion, singing, dancing as her hobbies. That was also the part of Sharapova. Sharapova liked to do fashion. She liked to do singing. She liked to do dancing. These are the hobbies of Maria Sharapova. Meaning is this, just like other teenagers, she also likes fashion, singing and dancing. Fashion, singing and dancing are hobbies of Sharapova. She loves reading the novels of Arthur Conan Doyle. Her fondness for sophisticated, fashionable evening gowns appears at odds with her love of pancakes with chocolate spread and fizzy orange drinks. So here we see the likes and dislikes of Maria Sharapova. Pan number 5 only discusses uh, the hobbies of Sarapova and what did she like. Everything is discussed in pan number 5. Simply in pan number 5 she talks about her likes and dislikes and her hobbies. So like teenagers, her hobby was sorry his hobbies her hobby is singing, dancing and fashion. She loves to read the novels of Arthur Conan Doyle, and she also had likes for evening gowns and all these things she also liked, and what kind of drinks, Fiji orange drinks. Okay, so here simply the writer talks about Maria Sarapova's likes and dislikes and hobbies and nothing else here. Now move to point number 6. Maria Sharapova cannot be pigeonholed or categorized. Her talent, unwavering desire to succeed, and readiness to sacrifice have lifted her to the top of the world. So, here again we have seen the mantra for Sarapova's success, that is, desire to succeed and readiness to sacrifice have lifted her to the top of the world. Few would grudge her the riches she is now reaping. Grudge here means oppose or minds. Few would grudge, few would mind her the riches she is now reaping. She is now rich. This is what she has to say about her monetary gains from tennis. What she is saying about monetary gains from tennis. Of course, money is a motivation, no doubt. Tennis is a business and a sport, but the most important thing is to become number one in the world. That was the belief of Sarapova. That is the dream that kept me going on. So in pair number 6, the writer is talking about Maria Sarapova's opinion, her belief. Maria Sharapova cannot be pigeonholed or categorized. Her talent, unwavering desire, firm desire to success, and readiness to sacrifice have lifted her to the top of the world. Why did she become top of the world? Because of her talent, because of her firm desire to succeed and readiness to sacrifice. And few would grudge minds the riches, monetary gains she is now reaping. She is getting monetary gains. She gets money from tennis. That is accepted by each and everyone. No one has any doubt regarding the achievements of Sarapova, regarding the monetary gains of Sarapova. She earned a lot from tennis. She believed that money is a motivation, no doubt. Tennis is a business and a sport, but the most important thing is to become the number one in the world. That is the dream that kept me going. So, what makes her go for further? That is to remain number one. To remain number one in the world is the hope of Sarapova. This is the dream of Sarapova, and that makes her, that puts her on the top of the world. So this we have discussed about Maria Sarapova. We have seen what were the obstacles in her path, how did she overcome it, how did she become mental tough, determined, how mental toughness was present in Sarapova. How did she gain it? We have discussed. She was rich now. because of her effort, because of her talent, because of her sacrifices, because of her firm desire to succeed. इस पूरे चैप्टर हम देखते हैं कि मारिया शारापोवा का क्या क्या स्ट्रगल है, किस तरह से वो स्ट्रगल को पार करती है, और उसके अपने खुद के ओपिनियन क्या है लाइफ के, और उसकी डिज़ायर्स क्या हैं, हॉबीज़ क्या है, ये हमने देखा। वो किस बुक को पसंद करती है पढ़ना, और टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड पे बने रहना उसकी अपनी डिज़ायर है, और यही वो डिज़ायर है जो उसे हार्ड वर्क करने के लिए मजबूर करती है, सक्सेस पाने के लिए मजबूर करती है, कि मोटिवेशन रहे। उसका मानना है कि मनी एक मोटिवेशन है, टेनिस एक बिजनेस है, एक स्पोर्ट है, लेकिन सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ क्या है कि नंबर 1 पे बने रहना, और यही वो चीज़ है जो उसे कड़ी मेहनत करने के लिए प्रेरित करती है। सो हियर थ्रू द लाइफ ऑफ मारिया शारापोवा we come to the conclusion that to become successful a man should be tough, he must have a desire to get success, he must be ready for sacrifices. Okay, so these are the things which we should keep to become successful in life: hard work, mental toughness, firm determination, and sacrifices are necessary to become successful in life. That was the life of Sarapova, which we have discussed. So this is the end of this chapter. Thank you.